My name is Linton from Ryno, and it's great to be back here at Bowback House in the heart of Milton Keynes today. At Ryno, we specialise in the design, manufacture and supply of raised external flooring systems, and it's very exciting to showcase today our new Vitrified composite decking system. We work closely with the team at HG Construction to provide a system that not only looks stunning visually with its realistic wood effect finish, but also is a fully non-combustible A1 fire-rated system. We overcame several obstacles on this terrace level. There was low height build-ups to work with, so we had to ensure our substructure suited the minimum height build-up required. We also had to ensure that there was enough support underneath the boards suitable for the drainage crate substructure that the decking is sitting on. There was also tight project deadlines, and we were able to offer quick turnaround delivery times with all our products available from stock. We were also glad to work with the team at Construction to provide our TerraSmart Pedestal system to support the concrete paving on this terrace level. Our metal pedestals are also fully non-combustible and extremely durable, offering a 30-year warranty and a 60-year design life. If you have any terrace, podium, walkway or balcony projects coming up and are looking for something that looks great and performs well, please reach out. We'd love to work with you.